Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about another founder named Kunal Shah. He's the founder of a company called Cred. It's basically a fintech application which helps users to manage all their credit card bills at the same place. So, how his journey was? Let us discuss about it. So, Kunal Shah was coming from a very middle class family, a Gujarati middle class family, and all Gujaratis are very passionate about their business and they're very business minded. So in his young career, like at the time he was doing MBA from Narsimhanji Mumbai, he decided to drop out of MBA and start joining different kind of jobs, like data entry jobs. Various companies offer their CEO position to manage their companies, small companies, what I will say. After doing for more than 5 to 6 years, if you know the company name Freecharge, it's a very popular app back there in 2010, which help users to recharge their number or phone number and you get a cashback. So that is the main concept at the time of Freecharge. So it was a very popular app and it was basically taken off by Axis Capital for a valuation of $60 million. So with that money, Kunal Shah decided to start up new businesses for credit cards. So he saw the opportunity that many people has different kind of credit cards and they all have to pay their bills in the different banking apps or any other app through that. So why not create a platform where all the credit cards can be managed by a consumer? So it will simplify their task, right? So that's how he decided to form this company Cred. Now this company Cred is worth $806 million as of 2021. So you can imagine. But a strange fact I need to tell you, in 2019 this company did not make any profit, like zero profit. It was in loss. But how come? How come such a good valuation, $806 million? Because of this idea. Because this idea itself is worth $806 million. People know that coming forward this app is going to be a big hit, and it is almost a hit. Now coming to the Cred app itself. So as I told you, it's not basically manage all the credit card for you, but rather it's also gives more product and services to the customers. And how it is? While paying the credit card bills you get a points, and each and every points you can either redeem as a cashback or use that points to buy different kind of product and services. As of statistical data as of September 2020, there are 5.8 crore credit cards in the country, with a market estimated less than 3 crore unique credit card holders. So you can imagine there are so many credit card holders in India, and if they could capture all of them, so imagine the revenue coming out of it. Now recently Cred has also launched a lending app. It means people can actually borrow money from Cred and use it as a personal loan on any kind of loan, you can say. So that means this Cred app is joining different verticals. Earlier it only helps to manage the credit card bills for the customers. Now it is also into the lending business. They have tied up with IDFC First Capital Bank, which is using their platform to lend money to the customers. And you can actually get minimum 1 lakh rupees instantly if you are a credit card member or a Cred member, I would say. So you see, this app has a huge potential. Still, you never know which vertical it's going to launch a new product or a service. I hope you guys enjoy the story and see you in my next video. Thank you.